Hi guys, welcome back. This is Kim from Loving to Shop. Welcome. This will be a very quick video, extremely quick because I'm having problems with my phone, but I just want to come in and share a handbag that I just purchased from Tory Burch. Tory Burch recently had their spring sale and I was able to purchase a small Eleanor. I love the Eleanor collection. I think, you know, it's a classic handbag to me. It's a structured handbag, number one. I love the look of it. You can definitely wear it in the summertime with the summer dress. You can wear it to church, to dinner, anywhere. You can even wear it with leggings and a t-shirt. It's that type of handbag, and it was a part of the 30% off. So for me, that was a major plus. So here she is. It is the Eleanor in small. This color is called Clamshell. Originally, the price was $648. I haven't even taken the plastic and stuff off, and I'm not. I'm going to wait until I'm ready to wear her out. It has the gold strap, which you can wear it over your shoulder, double, and you can also like pull it up and wear it crossbody. And on me, it fits perfectly crossbody. I don't have a problem with that. But I will say I wouldn't be able to wear crossbody if I had on a big sweater or a big jacket. So yes, so I'm starting to realize that I love structured handbags. For me, I think, like I said, this is a classic handbag, and it just makes everything like pulled together. It's a structured look. It looks beautiful. The color is a color, you see, it looks gray in some lights and then it looks brown in other lights, but it works, you know, it works well. So I definitely love this. I also have a smaller Eleanor, which is like a wallet in yellow. I will be listing that. It's already listed to my Poshmark. I will have the link listed below if you're interested in it. I will be keeping this one because I love this color. So yeah, that's all I want to come in and share. I just purchased this Eleanor. It opens up like so. It has one, two, three compartments, a zipper compartment, and it's beautiful. It may scratch easily because of the leather. It's a smooth leather, but it's a beautiful, well-crafted handbag from Tory Burch. And the reason why I purchased it is because it was a part of the 30% off sale. So that's it. I hope everyone is doing well. I just want to come in and say hello. Remember to be good to yourself, but most of all, be good to others. Bye.